Which tree does not have wood? A. Coconut. B. Banana. C. Bamboo. Correct answer is B. Banana. Do you know in which Indian city taxi service was first started? A. Mumbai. B. Chennai. C. Kolkata. Correct answer is A. Mumbai. In which country is the world's largest airport located? A. USA. B. China. C. India. Correct answer is A. USA. Who is considered the first citizen of India? A. Prime Minister. B. President. C. Chief Minister. Correct answer is B. President. In which country is the world's largest airport located? A. India. B. USA. C. China. Correct answer is B. USA. Which country has the highest population? A. India. B. China. C. USA. Correct answer is A. India. In which country was the first ambulance used? A. India. B. USA. C. Spain. Correct answer is C. Spain. When was the first nation invented in the world? A. 3100 BCE. B. 1500 BCE. C. 500 BCE. Correct answer is 18800 BCE. Where is the highest production of tomatoes? A. India. B. China. C. USA. Correct answer is B. China. Where was the first foreign bank branch opened in India? A. Mumbai. B. Kolkata. C. Chennai. Correct answer is B. Kolkata. How much water can an elephant drink at once? A. 50 liters. B. 100 liters. C. 200 liters. Correct answer is C. 200 liters. What is the synonym of earth? A. Fire. B. Dharti, land. C. Sky. Correct answer is B. Dharti, land. Kangaroo is the national symbol of which country? A. Australia. B. New Zealand. C. South Africa. Correct answer is A. Australia. Who was the youngest Prime Minister of India? A. Rajiv Gandhi. B. Sanjay Gandhi. C. Indira Gandhi. Correct answer is A. Rajiv Gandhi. Which creature can live for as many years as it's capable of? A. Crocodile. B. Tortoise. C. Human. Correct answer is B. Tortoise. Which country is called the land of kangaroos? A. Australia. B. Africa. C. America. Correct answer is A. Australia. Which animal has a hump on its back? A. Camel. B. Elephant. C. Horse. Correct answer is A. Camel. Which animal is found only in India? A. Lion. B. Asiatic lion. C. Tiger. Correct answer is B. Asiatic lion. Which country has the highest number of ambulances? A. India. B. USA. C. Japan. Correct answer is A. India. Which animal sleeps with one eye open? A. Dolphin. B. Shark. C. Snail. Correct answer is A. Dolphin.